Go, 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 go. Go. Go, 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 go. Go.
What did I run into? That. Lord, I'm going to move out of the way. If I move out of the way, then maybe you'll be able to walk on over to them. Somebody's sweating. That's a very unique way of climbing steps. If you can do it on these, you can do it on these.
Except for the ones at home. Don't do that on the ones at home.
Hi. How'd you get over there?
Lay down and roll down it. Roll.